Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use an ab glider machine. Begin by adjusting resistance and securing foot straps before stepping onto the rails. Keep a neutral spine, soft knees, and pull from your core rather than your neck. Move in slow, controlled glides and focus on steady breathing to build endurance safely. Finish with gentle stretches and note how your core feels to guide your next session. Track progress weekly and celebrate small wins. Stand tall and mount the ab glider with confidence, aligning hips over the carriage. Brace the core and exhale on each glide while keeping shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Use a slow tempo and maintain a brief hold at the end range for better muscle recruitment. Keep range of motion comfortable and stop if you feel sharp pain. Gradually increase duration as your form stays consistent and stable. Plan simple progressions by increasing glider sets or session time every week while keeping form strict. Pair ab glider moves with planks and gentle rotations to build balanced core stability and reduce injury risk. Track reps or time to measure improvements, and use light days for recovery when you feel sore. Always prioritize quality over quantity so you build strength safely and consistently, and adjust intensity based on how your body responds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.